Hi, and welcome to another Tech Tuesday. Today we're looking at how you can enable your students to respond to your assignment using a video clip or an audio recording. All I need to do is go to Materials and create an assignment, as I normally do, putting the name, due dates, and other things. Make sure that submission is enabled, and create an assignment. From the student's end, I now see that I have video response assignment. I'm going to click on the assignment. I'm going to click on Submit an Assignment, and from here, all I need to do is click on Audio or Video Recording. This time, I'm going to select Audio and Video. Google Chrome will probably prompt them to enable Chrome browser or whatever browser they use to use camera or microphone. I'm going to click Allow, and I can start the recording. And this is where students can record their answer and click Stop Recording when they're finished. There's very little they can do here. They cannot trim, so they need to make sure that their take is clean and good to go. I'm going to click Insert Recording once I'm ready. I can add comments and click Submit. Back to the teacher's view, I can see that a student has submitted a video response. I can click on the video response, click on the students who submitted the video response. As you can see, this little sign here tells us that the file is currently being converted. It took roughly 2 minutes for the file to be converted, and now as a teacher I can play it back. I'll see the audio, and this is where I can see a student's response that is not visible to other kids. Let's now have a look at the scenario where you do want other students to see the recording of others and be able to react to them and comment on them. But this time, instead of creating an assignment, we're going to create a discussion. I'm going to give my discussion a title. When creating a discussion, there's one important decision that we need to make. If this little icon is on, the discussion will require students to submit their response before they can see what others had said. If this is disabled, this will enable them or enable students to see what others had to say even before they submitted their response. As a student, I now have a video response that I can write a comment. When writing the comment, students can click on the microphone button, click on audio and video, and record their response. If this is the second time, as you can see, the Chrome browser did not ask me for permission, and I can immediately record my answer. I'm going to click on Stop Recording when I'm finished. Click Insert Recording. I still need to type at least one word to be able to post my answer. And as we have seen previously, it's going to take a few minutes for the video to convert to the playable format. 1 minute later, and my video response is now live and can be played. From the teacher's end, I can click on the video response, and here's the response from one of the students. Other students, once they submit their video response, can like or reply to the responses of others. Thanks for taking the time to check out this edition of the Tech Tuesday. Next week, we're going to take a look at simple steps you can take to make sure that your tech use is healthy and well balanced.